Bringing out now for Quicksilver, I got one 2016 Classics Football on sale today, guys, $39.95, and one 2016 Museum Collection pack. Thanks for the order, man. Like I said, Classics Football just $39.95. It was up there in the chat, and I'm like, what is he? I was like, he's definitely. It's like you're always in the room, so yeah. Just need to look up in the chat a little more. I'm just losing my mind. Good luck. Get your nice head out of here. Rookie Hector Olivier, Jake Arrieta, Lorenzo Kane out of 199. We got an auto right here, Jersey Swatch auto out of 299, D. Gordon. I truly did. Out of 299, D. Gordon. And no Syndergaard for the Mets. Or let's get a Classics Football. And also, you're going to be getting that Panini drawstring bag sent with this order, and I'll take care of your shipping as well. They said next order over 50, I'll do another. Next live break over 50, I'll give away another bag. I think I got one more bag left. At least one more. See, we got, what's it, $39.95 for this, guys. Forsett, Flacco, Teddy, Allen Robinson, Tony Dorsett, Thurman Thomas. Rookies, he looked really good. Dak Prescott, Plunkett, Kellen Winslow, Urlacher. Yeah, Dak looked unbelievable. Bolden, Dalton, Ivory, Palmer, Nuke, Manning, Scooby Wright, Hampton, Steve Young, John Randall. Kirk, Bradford, Rivers, Amari, Panthers card right there. The Pride of West Virginia glossy card rookie, Carl Joseph. Daniel Lasco, Flutie, Joyner, and Jaws. Witten, AB, Graham, Watt, Emmitt Smith, Glossy Fitzgerald from Baylor, Corey Coleman, Tim Brown, Herm Edwards, Harold Carmichael. Shady, AJ Green, Hearns, Fitzgerald. Nice, my dude right there out of 299. Rookie card auto, Carl Joseph for the Oakland Raiders. This guy's a beast. Out of 299, rookie card auto, Carl Joseph for the Mountaineers. Rookie Jalen Ramsey, rookie Booker, Jim McMahon, Mike Quick, Mark Chimera. Luck, Stafford, Johnson, Martin. Tributes right here out of 10, 5 of 10, Gronk. 5 of 10, Gronk. Rookie Fuller, Ferguson, Bob Lilly, Largent, and Lenny Moore. Barnridge, Fitz, Manning, Gordon, Flutie, Decoy, Brett Favre, Miller, Forrest, Icky Woods, Dawson. Wilson, Demaryius Thomas, Jeffrey, Alfred Morris, Marshall, Brady and Eli, Fuller, Irvin, Marino, Clark. Allen, Britt, Diggs, Peterson, Manning and Brady, Steve Young, Von Bell, Sapp, Allen, Jurgensen. Frank Gore, Andrews, Freeman, Benjamin. Future legends, David Johnson. Sons would agree with that. Sterling Shepard, DeForest Buckner, Collinsworth, Elway, and Montana. D-Jax, Hyde, Winston, Murray, Fitzpatrick out of 99, Wilson, Andrew Billings, Andre Reed, Aeneas Williams, Bruce Smith. God, I haven't heard the name of Aeneas Williams in so long. Kamara Aiken, rookie, or not rookie, Gurley, Foles, Revis, Dwight Clark, classic moments. Flacco, Shaq, Calhoun, Falk, Brooks, Fred Biletnikoff. 2 more packs to go. Hillman, Crowell, Cutler, Hoyer, Charlie Joyner, glossy card, Aikman, Emmanuel Ogba, Moon, Barry, Greasy. Last pack right here. T.Y. Hilton, Walker, Watkins, Odell, Bills card right there, Decoy, Earl Campbell, Jalen Smith rookie, Lofton, LaDainian Tomlinson, and Kurt Warner. All right. Thanks for the break. Like I said, guys, just $39.95. Really good box right there. Really good deal for today only. Thanks, guys.